Hello?
Okay, I can hear it now.
Oh, I changed it again, so maybe... So I changed it back to what it was before. I changed it to a different sound setting, but now I changed it back, so you may not be able to...
All right, well, listen up here. Here's the deal. Wait. Oh, shit, that's fucking weird. The video in the Hangouts thingy is at least 30 seconds delayed, okay? And so it's working in both of them now.
Okay.
Both of the videos, Liam's making faces in the background. So Liam's making, no shit. I'm not gonna look at the TV. So what's happening is that I could hear it in the headphones, and I could hear you talking out of the first video and in my ear, and then the second video came up, and it was about 30 seconds later you started talking again. So anyway, it got a little confusing.
Okay.
And still the video is like as I'm watching, Liam's going on one side or the other, and then on the other screen he's not. He's like 30 seconds delayed, and he pops up on the other side of you.
I think what the deal is that I invited you to participate in this video call, and now you're also watching it as a live stream.
Yeah. Okay. So what we need to do is we need to have that live stream event. See, but that's a fucking horrid web address, and that only works because you can paste it to me. Right, it's not a simple website that you can plug in and say, "Hey, go to this Google non-live." You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, but there's an event page like URL. There's a YouTube page URL, and there's a video embed. String of all kinds of letters, numbers, blah blah blah.
Okay, well, and I can pop it up on YouTube, but it's got another weird, strange doohickey. But if there's a way that you can embed this in a Facebook post, then it'll work.
I do believe I could embed it in a Facebook post. I was trying to make this Q&A thing work.
Okay, well, here, let me say something on that. Oh, wait.
It says this feature is disabled.
Creating Google Plus profile, leave a comment on Hangouts testing. Okay, I've already got it.
I think that Q&A would allow for people to ask questions directly, but I don't know how to add that because it's not on there now. Do you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I do. I'm gonna whack the one watch on YouTube.
There's also a way to share this event.
I know.
So I think that if you just share the event URL, then people can go there and then they can click on the live screen.
I'm trying to figure out how to comment via the YouTube page. I can see how to do it on the... I don't know, man.
I think it's strange that the Q&A is disabled. I feel like I'm trying to turn you on.
Yeah.
Why don't you turn on? Hello?
Hello?
I'm just talking to Liam. Oh, I can do all kinds of things on here. This is interesting. I can invite people, adjust the bandwidth usage.
Create a Google Plus profile, leave a comment on Hangouts testing. It's saying loading. Not actually.
Yeah.
YouTube.
So, maybe you have to modify it before you start the event.
I know, that's what I'm thinking. Well,
what? Yeah, just so you know, right now I think you're in a public event, so it's so it's going to be something on YouTube right now.
yeah, it doesn't really bother me. It says I can do things. Guests can comment, guests can invite other people, guests can add photos, guests can edit event.
Maybe it's because it's not under the title.
I tried to add another. No, I don't understand why it's disabled. Showcase is disabled as well.
Okay.
Screen share.
Can you see this? Post comment. Did it do anything?
Chat. Ooh, chat is on there. Yes, I can see that. What is the +1? Oh, I gave you a +1.
That's the problem, though. The problem is I had to do that through the Mainoa account doesn't have Hangouts configured, and so it forked up. It wouldn't let me make a comment. Now I want to make. How do you make public comments? Is the question. That way they show up. I think I can add another one again.
I know, I think that would be easier to use in the Q&A, but I don't think it's working. I'm not sure why it's not working, but it is not working on here. And the showcase, so you can share other files and things and other web pages, that doesn't work either. I think this is interesting. So this is kind of aimed more to a group. Oh, maybe you needed another app for that.
It's more designed for like testing, like Q&A thing where
well, sort of a Q&A, but like a whole group of people like working on one problem.
Oh yeah, that's difficult too. That's also a way that they run this. It's a way that it's a shared resource thing where you can across the planet you can develop an application or
like a conference call, and it's someone is the host and is in charge of everybody, and so there's ways to edit people or turn down their mic or whatever it is that you're wanting to do with it. Well, so it looks fairly clear. It's just like a half or 30 seconds or so lag.
Yeah, it looks fine. I mean, I haven't gone full screen or anything like that. I can. I just did, and yeah, it still looks fine.
Okay.
The voice is a little bit, it's definitely laggy. So if we were having a conversation, it's a stream. It's not a conference call.
Yeah. So I think that
technically being archived, I think, in your YouTube channel. So if you go to if you disconnect your stream and hang up, I think if you go to your YouTube channel, it'll be archived there. Okay.
Okay.
You need to try that though, because then that's how people would, you
Oh, no, it's there now. I went to my channel and there's a public upload. It says Google notifications. Oh, you're commenting on my stuff. Interesting. Okay, so my thing is there now. It says my video is there now.
Yeah, but I still can't do comments. I still can't do comments on your video.
Interesting. Okay, so
when I'm on YouTube, I cannot post a comment.
I think I have to edit that.
Okay, well, we need to test it. What are you laughing about?
I was looking at myself. Advanced setting. Enable live chat. Automatically block spam. I don't know. I can. Let's see. Allow embedding. Promote on my channel page. All these should be fine. It says that chat is disabled.
You want to enable it?
No, I mean, it says allow comments, show all comments. I don't know. It looks like that comments are already allowed, but it's not allowing them.
The chat is disabled for this live stream.
I know, but I don't see where basic info. Must make sure this works. Public.
I think you have to save it on channel YouTube.
Well, I did. Advanced settings, enable live chat. I don't see where it would say caption certification. I don't see any point to that. It says allow comments. It says everything's allowed. I don't know why it wouldn't be. Let me see. It says chat is disabled for this live stream, but it doesn't tell me how to enable that. Live control room. It says primary stream. The audio stream's current bitrate is lower than the recommended. Backup stream, lower than recommended. Who is viewing it? Create a highlight reel. Add insertions. Playbacks, chat rates. Well, I don't. I don't see any way to fix that.
Well, let's stop the stream and start a new one.
Well, but I don't see how there would be any other new ways to fix that.
Well, I'm wondering, watch the video demo. I typed in a search, I did. Oh, shit, I get back to how to enable chat in YouTube stream.
Yeah, I did that too. It says go to the YouTube stream and click on the little chat thing.
See, I can't do it because I'm on this end, you know. It doesn't give me I can't, there's nothing for me to type. Chat is disabled for this live stream.
I know that, but I'm looking at the dashboard for it. I'm looking at I think it dropped back offline. No, it says it's live.
Well, there's 3 watching now, which is weird.
Mine says the people watching is myself and you and your other account at work. Yeah. An event. No. Where was my thing? All right. It shows that I'm the boss of this thing, but it also doesn't show. I see where it says to do that, but I don't. And like I said, I don't see anywhere else to edit what's happening right now.
Well, I know, so that's why I'm saying maybe if you terminate the stream and create a new one and ensure that all of your settings are correct prior to turning it on.
Yeah, but I can change all those settings, and there aren't any that don't allow Q&A or live chatting or live commenting. Because you're wanting to be able to comment live on the YouTube page, correct?
Yeah.
Well, that's my problem, is that I am on that. I'm on that page where you should be able to, where you would go to fix the problem, you know, to allow live chatting and to allow commenting and all that kind of stuff. And it says that everything is allowed already. Like all the boxes are clicked properly. Do you understand what I mean? Like,
yeah.
I don't see where else I can tune that. And the same thing with the Google Plus, like my event that's on there.
I don't know. I can't help you anymore, honey. I can't do any more than, you know.
Yeah, I think that you're just gonna have to. I don't know.
My ear's getting tired. How's that?
I don't know what to tell you.
I mean, okay, so we've got something that will work at a rudimentary level, and that's pretty much all we've got at this point. You know, I mean, as far as next step is, you know, I mean, we need to check the internet over there, and
yeah,
and then maybe get better microphone.
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So.
So what? I'm kind of done talking. I need to get up and go to the bathroom.
Okay.
Sorry, but.
So this is like, a webinar like training thing for using Google Hangouts that don't work with Hangouts on air. They're like, don't use, and under that list is Q&A. Don't be tempted to use this. Use this. Q&A will post the questions on your G+ profile and wreak havoc with your Hangouts rooms. Instead, use your chat feature in your right sidebar. It sounds to me like it just doesn't work very well.
Well, that's what I'm trying to do, is use the chat feature in the right-hand sidebar. Chat is disabled for this live stream.
For which one? I'm sorry, which platform are you viewing it on? On YouTube or on
YouTube?
Yeah, see, but that's what I think too, but I'm looking at all of the settings for that, and those are all allowed. You're allowed to enable live chat. That's all enabled.
In Hangouts that's limiting that then? Is it Hangouts giving you the shit that says no?
No, Hangouts says that because they don't have any. Okay, so I have turned on group chat, but you have to go there and use group chat there, I believe.
On Hangouts?
Yeah.
Then I think you have to have a Hangout account to do that.
Yes.
Internet is choked out.
I will try and leave that one up, and maybe that will fix the problem with YouTube, but I kind of doubt it.
Well, I'm trying to open up email account. All right, so go to G+. There's no chat options in the right-hand side for me. The only thing there is the status stuff that I can update that isn't the right thing.
From Google or from YouTube?
From Google+. All right, so let me go back to YouTube. YouTube is loading. Still says disabled for the stream, but I can see you're pretty facing it.
Well. So on my dashboard for this video, I have now a group chat on the right-hand side that I can post into.
All right, now post into it.
I did. I thought, well, maybe because I didn't leave group chat up on the Google dashboard, maybe that's what is disabling it from YouTube. But it doesn't look like it.
Well, let me see what happens on the Google dashboard.
But it looks like
Still don't see where this chat thing is.
I don't know. I don't know where it will show up on yours either. Because I can look at it on here, and I think that it'll just start as, it'll just come up as like a chat to you.
Yeah, it's not going to work. We're just going to have to try it again. Another again, just keep working it. I think it's close. Chat.
Well,
Secondary thing anyway, extra bonus.
that's kind of where I'm at, is the chat is an extra bonus anyways. And if people can post to YouTube, that looked like.
Yeah, I couldn't post. I just looked. I was trying to figure out how to post something to YouTube, and I couldn't figure it out. And it wouldn't let me chat. It wouldn't let me post a comment. Unless I'm just stupid and don't know how to do it. You know?
Yeah. That's very strange to me because like I'm fixing all the problems, but it doesn't ever do it.
I don't even know how to add a comment on here. I can make a playlist, I can share, I can record. No place to click to post a comment. You can't chat. You can share.
So on the Google Plus dashboard for this event, it looks like you can post a comment easily, but not if you go to YouTube and watch it. Everything, the chat is disabled, and it looks like the commenting is disabled.
Yeah.
But when I go on my channel settings to this event specifically, those are not disabled.
Well, that's why I said maybe we need to break it all the way down and start it over again.
Well, we can try, but I don't see why that's going to fix anything.
Sometimes it, depending upon how things were created, it could be out of order and settings could be dorked up. I mean, you use default settings though, right? And nothing's changed. You haven't changed any settings, have you?
I don't remember. I don't think so.
Okay, I don't think you did either. That would be my recommendation.
I don't know. I'm also like, I'm getting pretty tired. It's kind of late.
Yeah. Alright. Well, I'm gonna just close this.
All right. I think I will stop broadcasting.